Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I am going to be showing you the process that my husband and I took to get these brand new balusters installed on our front steps. These things are absolutely gorgeous and I'm going to walk you through the full process and show you how it went for us. So in the set you get some more simple balusters. All of them are a really wonderful iron, so they feel very durable and well made. The more simple one has the two beautiful areas that look twisted, and then you have this more decorative piece that also has the twist design, but in the middle is a beautiful spiral. So both of these are absolutely gorgeous. They certainly added a touch of elegance to our front porch, and we cannot wait to continue the process for the rest of our porch. Now, when you receive these, they are going to be quite long, so you do have to cut them to make sure they're the right fit for you. And I am going to show you everything that you need to know about the process to get these put up. So let's jump right into that and I'll walk you through it. We started by placing all of the bottom hinges where they needed to go, came down to figuring out the spacing. They are more skinny than our previous balusters were, so we had to adjust the numbers, and once we figured that out, it was really simple to get the little hinge pieces placed down. And then we got started cutting the actual balusters to the accurate size. So as my husband put down all of the bottom hinges, I worked on getting everything measured, and he used an oscillating tool with a special metal cutting blade to do the cuts. It was really quick and very simple to do, and in no time we were getting them put in. We would slide each baluster into the bottom hinge and then place the top hinge on and get that secured to the handrail. Now, we did come across a few hinges that were kind of stuck in place, but it's super easy to get those released by utilizing leverage with the baluster. So stick the baluster in, and then you can very simply release that tension on the hinge. All of the hinges are fixed in place with 2 screws. They do provide all of those materials for you. So really, we were thoroughly impressed by how simple this project ended up being, especially with the 2 of us working on it together. We were able to knock it out pretty quickly. We did end up getting some rain during the project, but it did not stop us. We got it finished and we absolutely love the look of these. They have certainly elevated the look of our front porch, and we are thrilled to have these. These are going to be a great option whether it is for an indoor staircase or outdoors, because they are so robust and well made. We have had snow and rain with these and there has been no rust, so we are very pleased with the way these are performing and how easy they were to deal with. So if you guys were looking to renovate a space in or outside of your home, I think these are really a wonderful choice. We love these so much and we think you guys would too, so I would definitely give these a try.